Hello, I'm Jonathan Sauls, and today I will be presenting my project for CSM 3363 Heavy Civil and Highway Construction over asphalt rubber pavement. Started off with the first slide, the outline. Starts with the title, outline, and then we're going to cover history, purpose and application, fundamentals, asphalt rubber types, chip seal application, process and equipment, cost, safety, Texas-specific use, summary and conclusion, tester knowledge, and references. So let's hop into it. For history, rubber pavement is not a new production, but was developed in the late 1950s and early 1960s for smaller additions such as chip seals, interlayers, and asphalt patches. The rubber pavement has been used originally and extensively in Arizona, Florida, Texas, and California, although many states have followed these developments in hopes of long-term durability and other benefits. Asphalt rubber pavement consumes 220 million pounds, or around 12 million tires annually, and numbers are expected to increase with increasing development and when more states get added on. After all the testing done over the years, the increase in recycled tire usage and benefits are starting to show for themselves. Next up, we have our purpose and application of asphalt rubber pavement. Asphalt rubber pavement has numerous purposes and applications that have positive benefits for the longevity of human constructed developments, primarily roadways. Asphalt rubber is defined by the American Society for Testing Materials, or ASTM, as a mixture of paving-grade asphalt, rubber tires recycled from automobiles, and other additives as needed, such as gravel or minerals. Asphalt rubber pavement has a few alternate names, but is made up of the same or slightly varied mixture percentages to create significant benefits. Some major benefits being cost effectivity, reducing our carbon footprint, lifespan of roadways, material reduction, durability, and even reduced noise from vehicles. The implementation of asphalt rubber pavement has been occurring more and more across the United States. It is surprising after realizing the outcomes, especially in certain climates, that can cause traditional/conventional asphalt to decay from constant use. Asphalt rubber pavement has been known to provide the motoring public with a smoother and quieter ride. Asphalt rubber reduces tire noise by an average of 4 to 7 decibels. It also can assist drivers and the vehicles with traction on the roadways. The rubber has also helped with the heat island effect. Asphalt rubber allows roadways or any pavement to cool down quicker than conventional pavement. Next up, fundamentals. Tire rubber can be used for many alternatives in the asphalt rubber binder, such as joint and crack sealant, seal coat, cap seal spray, or even as a substitute aggregate. The driving force for implementing ground tire rubber, or GTR, was an interest in the removing of the growing stockpiles of tires. These stockpiles are an eyesore and a hell/fire hazard. To recycle these tires for a benefit took a lot of trial and error to find what mixtures could be used to find proper size and percentages to be implemented. Next up is asphalt rubber types. There are two types. Asphalt rubber type 1. This type consists of asphalt and chrome rubber from scrap tires only. No other additives are included. Type 1 has mostly been used in Arizona, Texas, and Florida. Asphalt rubber type 2. This type consists of a maximum 85% asphalt content mixed with a minimum 15% rubber portion. The rubber portion consists of 75% chrome rubber from tires and 25% from a high natural rubber source. Also, around 2% of an extender oil is added into the asphalt rubber combination. Type 2 is typically used in California. And the difference in the two types of asphalt rubber would be the different climates that they work best in. Type 1 is used for hotter climates primarily, and Type 2 can be used in lower ranged climates. Chip seal application. Asphalt rubber is used with this method to cover already cracked pavements by applying the mixture of chrome rubber and asphalt. The experiments/patents for the laying of asphalt rubber occurred in the 1970s. The quote wet process is basically a process for when they lay the rubber asphalt on roadways. Roadways includes a distributor truck conveying the mixture over top of the conventional pavement, as I said. Chip seal application rate can range from 0.50 to 0.70 gallons per square yard, depending on a few factors including seal size, pavement porosity, traffic on roadway, and embedment. The application of the asphalt rubber can benefit longevity, durability, and prevention of subgrade moisture. Process/equipment. I have a nice little diagram in here that kind of shows how it's made and then put in place. So chrome rubber, or the recycled automobile tires, is either cut into small pieces or frozen and then shattered after the steel fiber belt is removed, because you don't want metal in your mixture. The process for production of asphalt rubber pavement starts with materials being fed into a plant mixer just as you would with any other aggregate, and then it is heated in a binder whilst being transported. The mixture laid in the typical pavement process. The mixture is laid in a typical, is laid the same way as in the conventional process. After the asphalt rubber is laid, a roller is ran over the sections just as done with conventional pavement. The rubber pavement doesn't have any different qualities. Whenever you roll over it, it doesn't stick to any of the tools or the machines to make it hard to clean up or mess up your roadways. So this way, I mean, so far, no negatives. Cost for asphalt rubber pavement. Asphalt rubber pavement or crumb rubber is cost effective. The process can be used to minimize the thickness of pavements on roadways, leading to a significant material reduction and cost saving. The life cycle of rubber pavement/asphalt is also cost effective by reducing maintenance and extending the lifespan of the motor public's everyday travel systems. Important one is safety. Just like any construction practice, safety is always a high priority to prevent any injuries or complications with installation, equipment, and the general public. Working with hot materials such as asphalt rubber mixtures can cause serious burns. That's really the biggest hazard, but studies have been done considering the fumes created when mixing and heating the contents of the product, but they found that these compounds rarely surpass exposure limits. Of course, laborers should wear personal protective equipment when working with asphalt rubber. This could include thermally insulated gloves, which could prevent burns, long sleeves and pants or coveralls, which help prevent burns as well, and of course, safety glasses. Okay, Texas-specific use. The state of Texas is in one of the top states that takes part in the use of asphalt rubber pavement. Texas has been implementing asphalt rubber practices since early developments because of our specific climate and heat. The Texas climate causes the motor public's roadways to deteriorate faster than other states with cooler climates. Asphalt rubber pavement has been a positive impact for Texas as well as other states. A significant amount of improvements have been made in aspects such as lifespan, cost efficiency, and environmental preservation. For my summary and conclusion, asphalt rubber pavement has already made a large impact in many aspects, including cost efficiency, carbon footprint, durability, and better roadways for our motor public. Although not all states have implemented rubber pavement, I know that in the future this method will be a more universal practice that makes a positive difference. Okay, little test your knowledge. I have 3 questions here that information should have been provided in what we just went over. So, which states were the initial users of asphalt rubber pavement? There's 4 of them. Give you a second. Hopefully you got this right. It is Texas, Arizona, Florida, and California. Those were the four big, those were the four initial users of asphalt rubber pavement. Okay, number 2 is a true or false question. Asphalt rubber pavement has been known to make roadways louder when used with motor vehicles. That one would be, give you another second. That one would be false, because asphalt rubber pavement has been known to make roadways quieter when vehicles are on it. This kind of helps like workers that are working on highway construction and stuff, helps them, it can help them complete work faster and communications easier because it's not as loud. Another true or false question, number 3, when collecting materials from recycled tires to make crumb rubber, the steel/fiber belt in the tire is removed. That one is true. Like I said earlier, the steel or the metal belt within the tire is removed so that just the crumb rubber can be used. And then I believe the next one is my last slide, and this is just my references page. Thank you all so much, and can't wait to check out other people's.